Hi, I am Marta Vargas, Certified PSYCH-K Instructor, and in this video we will talk about the PSYCH-K Workshop Online Level 1. In this workshop, you will learn how to use PSYCH-K for your personal transformation with a process called New Direction Bounds, which allows you to change your limiting beliefs and also to change the perception of stressful and traumatic events, as well as fears, phobias, etc. In a video presentation, cell biologist Dr. Bruce Lipton will explain the science behind PSYCH-K. Then we will teach you a diversity of self-muscle testing alternatives so that you can establish communication with your subconscious mind. By taking the workshop at home, you will save time and money because you will have no additional expenses like travel, food, accommodations, etc., in addition to the cost of the workshop itself. This workshop will allow you to discover how to support and nurture human evolution in a powerful, simple, and effective way. After taking this workshop, you will have the possibility to future online workshops that will give you the tools to use PSYCH-K with other people by doing online sessions. You may also choose to attend an in-person basic PSYCH-K workshop and after all the other in-person workshops that we offer. So, what will you learn on the PSYCH-K Online Workshop Level 1? You will learn how to create a powerful collaboration between your conscious, subconscious, and superconscious minds in order to transform limiting beliefs and reach your desired goals in life. You will also learn how to use self-muscle testing to communicate directly with your subconscious mind, where at least 95% of your thoughts and actions originate. We will show you how to speak the language of your subconscious mind, which is different from the language of your conscious mind, so that you may easily give it a new and updated information in order to design a better life filled with joy and harmony. You will also learn how to transform the perception of a stressful or traumatic event, phobias, fears, or life challenges from your past, your present, or your future, which limit the full expression of your life in the present. You will see also how to use PSYCH-K in your daily life with a process called New Direction Bounds to help transform what limits the full expression of your potential, so that you can recover the necessary energy for more creativity, joy, well-being, and peace. You will see how to interiorize millions of years of Mother Nature's wisdom in every area of your life by integrating 11 principles of nature that we will share with you during the workshop. Also, besides serving yourself, you can also serve all of humanity by effectively using a specific process that we call the Gaia Protocol. This will happen on a 3-day online event where we will meet via Zoom, and if this is the process for you, I hope to see you there soon. Thank you for watching.